From the Maintenance tab, we're going to select Categories. Here's where you can build your categories in advance of attaching them to departments. So, as we had one from an earlier video, AQ department items, if I select Edit on that, you'll see I created a category name. I put it into a taxable category. I set up as price based off margin or markup, and I put my percentages in. I could tell it if it's exempt from sales tax on PO. And I can also say I want to, when I create an order list, order enough to bring in maximum, not minimum quantity. Defaults, I set the defaults on how I want this category to work. And again, these are nothing but defaults. If I want to make sure I ask for quantity when selling, ask for price when selling, and what kind of groupings each or box or case. And again, these are all nothing more than defaults. If we're going to use auto SKU to automatically create a SKU for us, any kind of selling prompts that we want to put. So when we sell something from this particular category, these are the prompts that we want. Like, do you want to have a warranty added to this item? Promo pricing. When we select our promo pricing, we can pick what date the promo begins, when it ends, start time, end time. And we can say either do it a discount or change the net price or do a mix and match, and you can change those values here, whether it be just the store and the web store or just the store or only the web. Trade-ins, we'll say if we're going to take trade-ins, do we want to make them immediately available for sale, or don't show the trade-in payout on the invoice because we don't want the customer to know what we paid for it. Here's your GL settings if you don't want to use the GL setup default accounts. Screen prompts. If you want to change your screen to say instead of primary SKU part number, you could do that here. Global pricing, you only use if everything in this category is the same cost and same price. So very few people use this. Age verification is if you need to verify that this item needs age verification. Here's where we set up for this category our web description for our e-commerce. And for our location for the auto quote projected or project items that are imported in from auto quotes, we say when these items come in, go right to my warehouse, don't go to my showroom.